How's it going, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're going up to an apartment today. We gotta take a look at a plugged toilet. Hopefully this tenant lets us in. The last time I was here, she wouldn't let us in, and I'm pretty sure there's some drugs and things like that in the unit. So hopefully not today. Let's see what we find. Hello.
Hi.
You guys got a plugged toilet?
What you guys just made?
Okay. You got a plugged toilet?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm here to look
Are
at
you
that.
the same guy that came last time?
When?
With the line that you made?
Yep.
Okay. Thank you. Come on.
No problem. Is there anything in the toilet that shouldn't be in there? Just.
I can't actually see.
Okay, no, but did anything get dropped in? That's what I mean.
Nothing, but
Okay.
maybe I might have dropped like a box of the eye contact thing.
Okay, not a problem.
So, thank you.
Not a problem. I'm gonna close this door, okay?
Why?
Just because I'm gonna be taking down my mask.
But don't do that, because then you won't be able to breathe. There's like no air circulation.
No, I know. It's just the way we're not supposed to take down our mask unless we're in kind of a closed area.
No, that's a lie.
No, I understand. But from the company I work for, that's why. They say, is that okay?
Are they gonna open the window then for you to breathe?
Yeah, no problem. It's just I'm gonna close the door. All right.
Not just for you to breathe, for me too, because I will be stuck in here smelling that too. I'll have to go.
Okay, I'm all done.
Thank you. I
So-
can help you before you leave.
What's up?
Since you're actually plumber. Can you, because the last couple, whatever weeks, every time I try to flush, it keeps, the water keeps going up and down, but I have no problem with washing my hands and stuff. Then can I go in and out?
What do you mean up and down? Okay, see that toothbrush? That was in the toilet.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Well, I just throw whatever. I'm
Yeah.
gonna throw it in the garbage, whatever.
Yeah.
So the issue that I'm having is, sorry,
No worries.
it's my mess. The issue that I'm having is, why every time, the last couple of weeks, it appears to work, I come in, and then I come back, literally I was throwing little tissue. I've been
Okay.
here since 2014, like I know
Yeah.
what kind of amount of tissue for
Yeah.
it to plug. I just want to make sure I don't have to call, basically, we didn't even know TCAC to get a plumber to finally fix it.
Yeah. So basically, if there was something in it, this snake should have cleared it, right? Because it'll push it through.
Yeah?
So everything's flushing good now. So keep an eye on it. If it happens again, then we'll have to do some further investigating because I'm not sure. Because it's not the drain itself, it's just the toilet. Because I could tell when I cleared it, right? And I wasn't in the drain, I was just in the toilet. So I don't believe there's anything stuck in there. So just keep an eye on it. Sometimes there may have been something, who knows, right?
So basically, all I'm trying to get it from you, going forward, because I even don't have a fob to enter the building.
Okay.
I'm really glad that you were able to enter yourself.
Yeah.
So I just want to know going forward, because I do have to go in and out, because
Yeah.
I am a citizen. There's no more plumbing issues.
Yeah, it doesn't seem to be. So if you want to flush it, you can see.
Thank you.
No problem.
Can I pee and you watch me too?
I don't think so.
Thank you.
All right. So keep an eye on it. Any issues, just let the management know.
Thank
We'll
you so
come
much.
back.
What is your company called?
Drain Tack.
Thank you. That's
All right.
I know J-Tac, we've been seeing so many companies.
And what's your name?
Maya, actually. I
Maya?
go
My
by
name
Maya.
is Jay.
Jay, nice to
Okay?
meet you.
Have a good day, okay, Maya?
you too.
Thank you. All right, bye now. Okay, so the last time I was here, she was not that nice. So I don't know if she was on something that time, but she seemed very nice today. So until next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taragna.